you need to know about the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat in just 5 minutes. Now that's what you call a Hellcat badge. That thing is almost the size of my hand, but there's also one on the front grille and rear trunk lid. We got 20-inch rims on all 4 corners, wrapped up in 295 45s. And them joints looking real good because that Bears Automotive Magic Tire Sheen. Make sure you get yours, link in the description below. Now under the hood, we got the infamous Hellcat 6.2-liter supercharged V8, produces 710 horsepower and 645 pound-feet of torque, paired nicely with an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you 12 miles per gallon in the city and 17 on the highway. That supercharger whine? Now the starting price in 2025 for a Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is gonna run you around $99,000 and it maxes out at $115,000. You can open and close the trunk right here from the key fob. That's always a plus. Now this exhaust is how a proper supercharged V8 is supposed to sound. We got a 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. That was a good one, baby. Now this is what you call a top level performance SUV that's made for us abnormally tall people, because I got abundant headroom and legroom. Now if you're an SRT fan like me, you're gonna like the fact that we got SRT stamped on the steering wheel, on the mats, and even the front 2 seats. I just wish it was on the other ones. Aww. We got memory seats for the driver, but not the passenger. These seats are also heated and cooled, and they even look really good. But if you want them to look even better, make sure you get some of that Bears Automotive leather conditioner and put that extra shine on that thing. Link in the description below. Now, when it comes to third row SUVs, center console storage space is a big deal. And this one has a bunch of it, along with a wireless car charger, 4 additional chargers, and an auxiliary plug. I ain't seen that in a while. We got cup holders that illuminate at nighttime for both the front and back seat passengers. So we have both a digital and analog digital gauge cluster with 200 miles on the dash in a third row SUV. In case you want people to know you got that red stanky big boy key fob and you know what you paid for a key fob, all you gotta do is place that thing right on the center console because they got a holder for it. We got a leather wrapped armrest with 2 different storage compartments in it and a 12-volt charger. We got the signature Hellcat all black hood on that thing, and it's shining like new money because we use that spectacular ceramic wax by Bears Automotive. Make sure you get yours by clicking that link in the description. We got an aggressive front lip splitter, front grille, and all these legendary air intakes to fuel all that performance. We got LED headlights and taillights to match. Now, not only does this infotainment screen look really good, but it also has a modern design and easy to use with things such as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa, climate controls for the front and rear passengers, navigation, and performance pages that displays your best times, your gauges in real time, dyno and engine numbers, along with G-forces and your vehicle dynamics. Now you can change your drive modes a few different ways in this car, but my favorite, I like to click that SRT switch and go from track, sport, auto, snow, tow, and custom. But y'all know, I'm gonna keep that thing in top of the move, track mode, baby. Man, this joint need a little bit of wash. We're going to use that Foamtastic wash and wax or that sensational shampoo, or maybe even both. Click the link below in the description and make sure you get yours. Now in the second row of this SUV, I got pretty good headroom, as you can see. My legroom is where it gets a bit compromised. Not gonna lie to you, I can't even open the door handle without hitting my knee. So not only do you have your glove box for storage space, but you also got a side net for storage along with another 12-volt charger. Now let's talk about some of the amenities you get back here in the second row, like your 2 climate vents, along with your climate controls that's integrated on the top of the roof, 2 kangaroo pouches for storage, 2 cup holders with more storage space, and even under that, you have even more storage space to store whatever you want, including your phone, 2 hanger hooks, 2 USB chargers, and even a house-inspired plug. You got a leather-wrapped armrest just like the one in the front seat, but this one's for your second row and third row passengers because it can open from the front or back, has 2 different storage compartments inside of it, and a USB charger along with a 12-volt charger. Now, I'm gonna be real with y'all. To be my height and sit in the third row SUV and be this comfortable doesn't happen too often. Now, this SUV don't got a panoramic roof, but it do got a sunroof that you gotta open all by yourself like they did back in the day. Now, you ain't forgotten about one in the third row because you do got your own climate vents right on the ceiling along with 2 lights and 2 cup holders. Now, this trunk space is actually pretty nice for a third row SUV, but you also got a 12-volt charger back here along with a side cubby space for storage. When it comes to everyday drivability, man, listen, you get the performance, you got that Hellcat understanding, but at the same time, you get the practicality. And if you're into this kind of look, you got the looks too, baby. You really can't go wrong nowhere in this. Now, that's everything I think you need to know about the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat in just 5 minutes.